Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix special scene wallpaper not working. For example, if you try to add a special scene wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26 and you see that special is scene or special effect is not working on your iPhone iOS 26 for that wallpaper. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to go to general. And after that, you have scrolling down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 26.1 on your iPhone iOS 26 because many bugs and error are solved by the latest iOS versions. So you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version. And after checking for the latest version, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply open the wallpaper here. And here you have to simply click on add new wallpaper. And after that, you have to simply select a wallpaper which includes the special scene effect wallpaper. And you have to make sure that here is the option available of special effect. So if you click on that, then there will be option available of special effects in wallpaper. So there is option available. So you have to check for that whether that worked for option or not. So here you can simply check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.